A minor topic, but a topic that's important for art history, is the study of sketchbooks. Now, we have very few publications that talk about the importance of sketchbooks, either Nepalese or Tibetan or otherwise. But we do have one, and it's put out by the Lumbini International Research Institute. I think it was out of Lumbini back in 2003, and it's called Buddhist Deities of Nepal, Iconography in Two Sketchbooks. And it's done by Gudrun Buhnemann. Now, what's important about sketchbooks is not so much for the casual observer of Himalayan, Tibetan, Nepalese art, but actually for the artists. Sketchbooks are very, very important, and it's part of their equipment, part of their memory, their visual memory, and also their notes. And when they see somebody else's work, or if they see a sculpture when they're traveling, and then they need to draw it. So they have to have a sketchbook where they record things that they like or that are different or interesting. Some sketchbooks are just full of iconography, just full of deities. Other sketchbooks have page after page of design work, details, vines and leaves and trees. So in this publication, Buddhist Deities of Nepal, Gudrun used two sketchbooks and compared them. So in the contents, we have a general introduction, of course, but then we have a little short piece on previous research on sketchbooks. Then it jumps right into the two sketchbooks and then a comparison of them. And then it also offers advice and direction for further research, which is very, very good. Then there's general acknowledgments, bibliography, and then a table of comparable iconographic features from the two books. So it's really, for those of you who are hardcore and into art history, and you're interested in sketchbooks, their history and comparing them, then this is one of the only publications that I'm actually aware of. Possibly there'll be, in the bibliography here, there'll be mention to some others that might be useful, other than in the German language, hopefully. This one is in English, so it's approachable. And on the Har website, we actually have we have one complete sketchbook by Trenkawa. Trenkawa, I think, was the main artist of the second or the third Dalai Lama. And he could have actually been overlapped with the second and the third Dalai Lama. He was said by one of the Dalai Lamas to be a better artist. Trenkawa was a better artist even than Mentongpa. So very interesting, good credentials. Then we have a lot of miscellaneous sketchbook pages on Har, but we also have, I think, a video that we've already done about sketchbooks in general. But this one is just about this publication, 2003, Lumbini International Research Institute, Buddhist Deities of Nepal, Iconography in Two Sketchbooks. So we'll leave it there. You can press like, you can subscribe, you can join Har on Patreon, and you can also make a donation on the homepage of Himalayan Art Resources.